Hi, in this video we'll see the construction of deterministic finite automata over input symbol a comma b, which accept all the string having even number of a and even number of b. So there is condition called AND. So string must contains even number of a and even number of b. So even number are 0, 2, 4, 8, 6, 10, 12 and so on, which are divisible by 2. So we have to find out the string contain even number of a and even number of b. So possible string are we can say double a, double b, then even number of a and even number of b. So we can write here a b, then a b b, or b b b b a VB and so on, that contain even number of A and even number of B. So I will divide it into two parts. First of all, I will construct the DFA for even number of A, then I will construct for even number of B, and then we'll join it. So then there can be even number means 0 also, so it will contain epsilon also, because if there is value 0 0 0 0 0 means even number. So if we so first of all I will tell you how to proceed with q0 or epsilon. So for epsilon, if you take this will be the final state, because if the number is 0, this will be the final state. Then for I will take for AA. So if you take for AA here, then for accepting even number of a, so it will go for a and then come back to a, so that it can stop to final state. Then what I will take for bb, even number of b. So what we can do take one more state. I will write here b. We have to reach to final state, so again there is b. So this is accepting double a double b or double b double a. Now if you the string is AB, or so let us see for AB first. So A, then I will take one more state here, then I will write here B. Then there is one more A, we have to reach here, and there is path for B. So I will write here AB, cycle is complete, we reach to final state. Now if the string is BA, so we have to follow this part B, then there is A, and so I will write here A, then there is B, and then there is A, so I will write here B A. So if we take any string now, it will accept. So if we take 4 times A double B, so 1 A B B, so it is acceptable. If you take AB BB, okay, so A B B, so it is accepting even number of A and even number of B. So then if we take this example, last possibility, 4 times B double A double B. Okay, let us see. 1 B, then there is A B, 4 times 4 times B, so B, sorry. If we take 4 times B, okay, then A, then B. So this is how the string is acceptable, containing even number of A and even number of B, and this is the final deterministic finite automata. So that's it for this video. I do hope you understand this question. Thank you.